Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on kitchen extinguishing systems.
The kitchen fire protection system is to be serviced semi-annually by a manufacturer-approved service company. All fusible links are to be replaced, and in most cases, the old ones will be left with you as proof of the replacement. Make sure to record the date of the planned servicing on the Contractor Service Work page located at the back of your fire logbook.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.